Dedicated to Prophetess Juanita Ibiba Jaja, aka Mama Ego, the CEO of Time Prayer Ministry International. Rest in peace, Mama. Never again, no. Make it not happen again, no. All your love and cares for us. Never again, no. You used to pray for us. You always preach to us. But never again, no. Oh, sweet mother, we can never forget you. Yes, the church will miss you, the ushers miss you, the choirs miss you. Oh, we love to see you more and more, every night and every day, but never again, no. Oh, with tears in my eyes, I say never again, no. With pains in my heart, I say never again, no. And it's not for my mouth to say never again, no. Oh, we miss you, mommy, rest in peace, oh. With tears in my eyes, I say never again, no. With pains in my heart, I say never again, no. And it's not for my mouth to say never again, no. Oh, we miss you, mommy, rest in peace, oh. Never again, no. 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 Ayele, 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 ayele. This life that will ice like a field of game, true vet. Everybody come play for your name one day. Everybody go end up the same. Such is life, time to born and time to die. Our mama yesterday is no more living today. Mama Ego, so we never see you again, never again. I say in this with tears in my eyes. Oh no, rest in peace, till we go meet again. Mama supposed to be the cheer of the children, but now begin to look, mama and crying. See better person for inside coffin. Try this life, no balance at all. Abatoyi na anyameni, agbamburobi. Iwe jura ini mobi, mana omu, bonyoshi, ozi tears in my eyes, I say never again, no. With pains in my heart, I say never again, no. And it's time for my mouth to say never again, no. Oh, we miss you, mommy, rest in peace, no. With tears in my eyes, I say never again, no. With pains in my heart, I say never again, no. And it's not for my mouth to say never again, no. Oh, we miss you, mommy, rest in peace, no. Rest in peace, mommy, it's nature, daddy.